Right, it's a quick video of the Calf Sound, which is just at the southeast corner of the Isle of Man. We've been through here before, believe it or not. At the moment it seems to have kind of 15-foot standing waves going through it. You see the white tower in the middle of the sound there. The waves are almost as high as that when they're crashing. Absolutely incredible. And the breaking surf just in the inner sound there. It's a lot of white water. Kawa Thekking Bunga and all that. Very impressive though. I'm never going to see this place like this again, and it's just unbelievable that we've been through this. Fantastic.